Rum comes from byproducts of the sugar industry like molasses. The Caribbean and Latin America produce much of the world's rum. Rum making really begins here, in these distillation towers. This is where ferment made from molasses distills into raw rum. To make ferment, molasses mixed with water and yeast heats in open tanks for about 30 hours. This converts sugar into alcohol. Here's a sample straight from one of these tanks. Notice that foamy top layer? That's fermentation in action. The ferment must reach 176 degrees Fahrenheit to distill into raw rum. Then it's stored in these 13,000-gallon containers until they test it for quality. Workers monitor the distilling towers day and night. This facility can produce more than 10,000 gallons of raw rum a day, all stored in these gigantic silos. From there, the raw rum goes into charred oak barrels. It's mixed with water and left to age anywhere from 1 to 12 years. The charred wood produces esters that give the rum color, flavor, and aroma. The longer it ages, the more intense the flavor. Once it is aged, the rum is bottled. It's a fully automated process. First, they sterilize new bottles in a sodium carbonate solution. Then a conveyor moves them to a filling station that can process 150 bottles a minute. Rotating wheels deliver the bottles to a lever system that raises them up to the nozzles on pneumatic pumps. They fill up with rum, more than 72,000 of them each day. Next, aluminum bottle caps come down a chute right onto the bottle tops. A piston valve pushes down on the caps and tightly seals each bottle. Next stop, labeling. First, a spinning roller applies glue to panels set on a rotating wheel. The panels pass a dispenser and a label glues onto them. Another rotating wheel grabs the labels from the panel and transfers them onto the bottles. Sponges press them neatly into place. As the bottles convey out of the labeling station, brushes smooth out each label. Finally, the bottles lower into boxes 12 at a time to ship to customers all over the world.